Advocates of California's compassionate care laws allowing medical marijuana say change is coming from Washington. KCOY CBS 12's Keith Carls is in studio with what they say is a powerful message from the Obama administration. Keith.
Well, Katie, if it's true, it would be a radical shift in federal policy prohibiting the cultivation, sale, and use of medical marijuana, both here in California and in the 12 other states where voters have passed laws allowing it.
Today, in a combined effort
medical marijuana advocates say Attorney General Eric Holder told reporters in Washington that ending raids on medical marijuana dispensaries is now American policy.
That statement appears to reflect a change in policy, but until that policy is changed in a formal fashion, then persons in California that are exercising their rights under our medical cannabis laws still need to be aware and cautious that the federal government is still prosecuting people in California.
Any policy change in Washington won't come soon enough for Charles Lynch. His licensed medical marijuana dispensary in Morro Bay was raided by DEA agents back in 2007.
They came in, they took everything, they took all the money, they froze my bank accounts. They began their propaganda war machine against me. They put my name up on the DEA website. They made it sound like I was selling drugs to children out on the schoolyard, which none of that was true, you know.
Lynch was later arrested and convicted of distributing a federally banned substance. He's now awaiting sentencing in federal court next month and is looking at a minimum of 5 years in prison.
No matter what the judge decides on that, I'll be appealing the conviction. You know, I don't feel like I deserve going through life as a convicted felon for doing things that the state of California allowed me to do.
Dispensaries in the 5 cities and in Santa Barbara have also been shut down in the past 2 years. Landlords say they had no choice after receiving letters from the DEA threatening enforcement of federal forfeiture laws that would have taken their properties away from them.
There's no indication that the policy has changed. The raids have continued, so there are holdovers from the previous administration that are continuing the previous policy.
Now, we should point out that we were unable to confirm those reported comments from Attorney General Eric Holder, either from the Justice Department or the Drug Enforcement Administration. Katie, back to you.
Okay, thank you, Keith. Earlier this week, the San Luis Obispo County Sheriff's Department issued a document outlining its authority under state law to shut down medical marijuana dispensaries. The Sheriff's Department cites California Attorney General Jerry Brown as saying storefront medical marijuana sales and uncontrolled sources of cultivation do not comply with the spirit or intent of Proposition 215 or any other medical marijuana laws.